Me. Here's a quick explainer from our friends over at PBS about the mystery radio signal that was detected back in 1977. Watch this real fast.
Imagine seeing pages and pages of ones, maybe a 3, a 2 here and there, and then you see 6EQUJ5, right? That was why he said, wow, right? U is 30 times as strong as the noise in the background. Nothing was coming anywhere near that strong of a signal. It was kind of a surprise, right? The signal. And so the question was, did this come from some sort of extraterrestrial intelligence that was beaming out radio signals towards us?
Okay, so if I understand this correctly, and sorry for trying to read your very academic papers and understand them, but if I understand this correctly, the question that you were posing was whether this very anomalous radio signal that we detected coming from deep in outer space, whether that matched the trajectory that we are now seeing from 3I Atlas, as in, we know which direction it was coming from, and it seems to be coming from the same direction as the WOW signal. Is that right?
Yes, to within 9 degrees. On Sunday evening, I decided to check it out after a day full of interviews. And it turns out that the two directions of the WOW signal and 3I Atlas are aligned with a chance probability of 0.6%. And I then asked, where was 3I Atlas in 1977? It was 600 times farther than the sun is from the Earth, roughly 3 light days away. And so the amount of power that was needed to produce that signal is about 1 gigawatt, the output of a nuclear reactor that we have here on Earth. So it's quite possible to have such a nuclear reactor on a gadget that is the width of Manhattan Island.
Okay, so not just nickel, not just massive. You're thinking there's possibly some sort of reactor that will generate enough potential energy to blast off a radio signal that we did detect in the night.
And it's moving along the plane of the planets around the sun with a very small probability. It looks like its trajectory was fine-tuned. There was